This is the budding light of hope and knowledge, the delight of Sri Prakash educational institutions, spreading academic brilliance in all directions.
Namaste children, welcome to Sri Prakash Educational Institution, Tuni. Today we are going to discuss an interesting lesson. Children, do you know about the Earth? It is one of the planet. So, do you know what is the model of the Earth? Yes, globe. Today we are going to discuss about the globe. Okay children, let us go.
Okay, children, today our topic is globe, a model of the earth. So, from this lesson, one subtopic has been taken, that is globe, axis of the earth. Shall we go, children? Okay, before going to enter in the lesson, today's agenda: words in focus, keywords, learning outcomes, content analysis, summary, evaluation, assignment. First, today word, children. Word of the day: slight. It is the word. What is the meaning of slight? To a small degree, extent. Derivatives are slight, verb form; slightly, adverb; slighting, adjective; slightness, noun form. What are the conjugation, children? Slight, slighted, slighted, slighting, slights. Okay, first we go with textbook usages. Here, just to see, children, the earth is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles. The earth is slightly flattened. Here, slightly is used as a adjective. What is that, children? Adjective. Okay, we go with the next other sentences. She said with a slight smile. She said with a slight smile. Here, slight is adjective. Slight is adjective. Next sentence. His poem has a certain slightness. What is, children? Slightness means it is noun form. What is the derivative? Noun form. Slightness. Slightness. It is noun form. Next sentence. We reduce the speed slightly. We reduce the speed slightly. Slightly, it is adverb, children. What is that? Adverb. Next one, next sentence, there is a slight change. What is that? Slight change. Here, slight is used as a adjective. Okay, children. So, while you are speaking to others, please use this word in daily. Uh, then, keywords. From this lesson, we are going to learn some keywords, children. What are the keywords? Equator, navigator, celestial, hemisphere, terrestrial, imaginary, horizontal. These are the keywords which are going to learn from this lesson. Okay. Uh, Children, end of this lesson, you will be able to learn some points, children. Here, from this lesson, you can understand about the globe, a model of the Earth. You can understand about the location of the Pacific Ocean and about the shape of the Earth and types of globes. And you can understand about the first seamless celestial globe, and you can get the information. You can understand about the globe and what is the globe. This is information you will get after the class. Okay, children. Shall we enter in the lesson? Okay, so the first, children, what is the image? Look at the image, children. What is the image? It is world map. What you are observing in the world map, children? We can observe continents and oceans. How many continents are there? We have 7 continents and 5 oceans. Here, just you see, if you observe the map, the both side of the world map, what is the ocean represented? Pacific Ocean. Yes, it is represented in both sides in the east and west direction is Pacific Ocean, children. If you fold the map, world map, and join two parts come together, it is a globe. Just it is a globe. Just you fold the world map, then it is comes as a globe in round shape. So it is a model of the earth, children. Globe is a model of the earth. The shape of the earth is proved by ancient navigator during 15th century and by the satellites. So we get the shape of the earth in 15th century. It was proved by the ancient navigators and satellites. And next, after that, if we observe the globe, children, just you see, globe it is in the spherical shape. There is a one needle, children. This is needle. Actually, needle is fixed in the middle of the globe. The globe it is revolving on the axis. Same like that, our Earth is revolving on the axis because globe is a model of the Earth. The needle which is fixed through the globe, the this is called axis. This is called axis. It has two poles, children. What is first one? North pole in the north direction, south pole in the south direction. So north pole, south pole, these are the poles, children. Globe moves around the needle from west to east direction as earth. So our earth is moving, earth is revolves from west to east direction. It is the movement of the earth, children, because globe is a model of the earth. So the earth is rotate from west to east direction, west to east direction, and the axis is a imaginary straight line which runs through the north to south pole. This is axis, children. It runs from the north to south pole. Okay, children, did you understand what you understood? The needle which is fixed through the globe is called axis. That is first point. The globe has the two poles. What are the poles? North pole and south pole. Another point, the globe means the earth rotate from west to east direction. Is it okay? Then see. Now see, children, oldest terrestrial globe. It was the first globe. It was prepared by Martin Behan. Who prepared, children? Martin Behan. He prepared the first globe in 1492. What is the globe? Oldest terrestrial globe. Oldest terrestrial globe. It was the first globe. It was prepared by Martin Behan in 1492. Just to observe, children. Just to compare with our globe. Just to see the globe, shape of the globe and everything. Oldest terrestrial globe. Like that, another globe is there, children. This is remarkable modern looking terrestrial globe. This is modern looking terrestrial globe. This is, children. Actually, it was constructed by Tak al-Din. Please remember, children. Tak al-Din, prepared by the Tak al-Din in Constantinople. In the which year? 1570. 1570. So this is remarkably modern looking terrestrial globe. What is the globe, children? Terrestrial globe. Who prepared this is Tak al-Din. Which year? 1570. Which year, children? 1570. This is very very important. Two globes we discussed. What is the first one is oldest terrestrial globe. Second one is modern looking terrestrial globe. And next one here, just you see, children, first seamless celestial globe. First seamless celestial globe. It is the world's first seamless terrestrial globe. It was prepared by Mughals, children. Who prepared this is Mughal. Do you know Mughals, children? Mughals ruled our country. The founder of the Mughals, do you know who was the founder of the Mughal kingdom? Babar. So first time here during the time of the Mughals, the Mughal scientists they prepared the globe. It is the first seamless celestial globe. Is it clear, children? Seamless celestial globe. And next after that we discuss how many globes? Three globes. What is the, children? First seamless terrestrial globe, second one modern looking terrestrial globe, and third one oldest terrestrial globe. Okay. And next after that come to the hemispheres. What about the hemisphere, children? If we observe the globe, there is a one middle line which is passing from east to west. In the middle line, this is called equator. What we call, children? Equator. It is one of the imaginary line which is running from the middle of the globe. It divides the globe into two parts, children. Two parts. Divide the globe into two parts. What are the two parts, children? This is called northern hemisphere. Above the equator is called northern hemisphere. Below the equator is called southern hemisphere. Equator means nothing but, children, 0 degree. How many degrees? 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude, which is runs across the east to west in the middle of the globe. That is called equator. 0 degree latitude is called equator. So equator divides the earth into two parts. What are the two parts? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. How many degrees equator? 0 degrees. How many degrees, children? 0 degrees. This is very, very important. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere are separated by equator, which has 0 degrees. Is it clear, children? It is the middle line. Equator is a middle line. And after that, just to see, children, hemispheres. How many hemispheres are observed here? Four hemispheres are there. One is that this is equator. Equator divides the north hemisphere and southern hemisphere. These are the two. Like equator, children, there is a one longitude also there. This is called prime meridian. This is called prime meridian or Greenwich line. So here the prime meridian divide the earth into two halves. What are the two parts, children? Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So like the total how many hemisphere, children? North, south, east, west, total four hemispheres. How many? Four hemispheres are there. So this is about the hemisphere, children. Okay, I hope that you understood everything. Yes or no? How many total globes, children? Three globes we discussed, oldest globes, and about the hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere divided by equator. Equator, how many degrees? 0 degrees. Like that, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere is separated by the Greenwich line or 0 degree prime meridian. Okay, children, these are called hemispheres. Is it clear, children? Globe means it is the Latin word, children, derived from the Latin word globus. Derived from the Latin word globus, globe. Okay, what is the summary, children? We discussed these points. Earth is in round shape and proved by the ancient navigator during 15th century. On globe, countries, continents, and oceans are shown. It is slightly flattened at poles and bulges in the middle of the earth. A needle is fixed through the globe and is called axis. 2 points on the globe are called North Pole and South Pole. Oldest terrestrial globe was made in the 1492 by Martin Behan, and a remarkable modern looking terrestrial globe was made by the Chaldean at Constantinople Observatory during 1570. The world's first seamless celestial globe was made by Mughal scientist. This is the summary. Shall I ask children some questions? Okay. What is globe? What is globe? Globe means nothing but the map which is joined together. The east and west, when we join together, it is comes as a globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. And how can we say earth is round in shape? So it was proved by navigators and satellites in the 15th century. Okay, what is axis, children? Axis means nothing but the imaginary line or needle which is passing from north pole to south pole, that is called axis. What are the poles on the earth, children? There are two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay, children. Who made the remarkable modern looking terrestrial globe? Can you guess, children? Who made the remarkable modern terrestrial globe? Tuck Aldin. Who was that? Khaldun children. Who made the world's first seamless celestial globe? It was prepared by Mughals. Who prepared children? Mughals. What is equator children? Equator means nothing but 0 degree latitude is called equator. What are the hemispheres divided by the earth? Two hemispheres. What are the two hemispheres? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Did you understand children? Now it is the task at home children assignment. All of you note down. In which hemisphere is India located? Which hemisphere has the maximum number of continents? In which hemisphere is the continent Antarctica located? All the celestial bodies are round in shape. What is the true shape of the earth? Okay, children?
Okay, children, I hope that you understood about the globe. So, globe it is the model of the earth. In this lesson, we discussed about the remarkable modern globe and the oldest terrestrial globe, and we discussed about the hemisphere in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In the next class, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, children. Okay, thank you.